gradation of fabrics, same colour, just diluted with water. Then they've just been scrunched up and left outside to dry completely. Once they're completely dry, I've brought them inside and I'm just going to press them now, and they'll be lovely and textured. Sometimes if the paint's a bit thick, you just have to pull a little bit harder to flatten it out. You can see that where the paint was exposed to the air, it stayed darker, and where it hasn't been exposed to the air and the light, it's gone lighter. And this is what creates the really interesting textures. Some of them look quite 3D. Pressing serves to heat set the fabric paint, as well as making the fabric seem a little bit softer. And here's the lightest piece. Really lovely textures here. And the darkest piece is really dramatic. And here we have the dark and the medium pieces. Now the lightest piece. I think that's a great collection. It'll suit my purposes perfectly.